Nasubukan na ba ninyong gumamit ng AI sa paggawa ng inyong mga content? Kung hindi pa, malaki ang nawawala sa inyo because you are being left behind. Alam nyo ba na marami kayong magagawang content by using just one photo? Yes, just one photo, and you can create a photo and a video at the same time. And you can create as many as stories that you want using just one photo. Take for example this one. Isang photo lang yan na aking ginamit para sa content. And I was able to make several pictures and video clips out of just one photo na pinagdugtong-dugtong ko ngayon at siya kong ginagamit sa aking content. Hindi lang yan. You can produce different photos depending on the prompt that you are telling AI to do. Ariyan ang ituturo ko sa inyo next time. Isang photo lang, you can make a lot of stories, you can make a lot of photos, and you can make a lot of reels and videos just in one photo. Kaya standby kayo and watch out for my next tutorial about AI.